Describe an occasion when you lost your way. You should say where you were, what happened, how you felt, and explain how you find your way.
I am very expert with direction. Generally, I don't lose my way. However, I lost my way sometimes when I visit new places. Recently, my friend got married and I went to their house to congratulate them. My friend house located from my house near about 315 kilometers. For facing soil erosion, they changed their house location and they moved another places. 3 years ago, I went to my friend houses. So at that time, it turned into very difficult to find the exact location in a correct way. I noticed my friend and also said to him, please give the exact location in my WhatsApp. So he gave about it. I decided I have to attend this party on time. I started my journey with one of small luggage. When I arrived on districts, I didn't find the house location. So I took help from the Google Maps and the Google Maps showed me this is the right way. I follow the Google Maps. When I reached in of the road, I couldn't find still now. On the time, it turned into night and I became very disappointed and I felt maybe I felt in a trap. So I decided I have to took places in front of one shop and I asked the shopkeeper, do you know this location? These people also don't know about the location, but one of person who stayed there, he said to me he know about this location. He helped me on that time